Hey everybody, it's Robert here. Today I'm back with another vlog. You might be wondering, it's sunny outside. Why am I not at school? Well, you can probably hear my voice. I'm a bit sick. I have the flu. And I'm eating baked beans. I just want to upload something today. I don't know what to upload yet. Like, what could I do when I'm having a flu? I'm just sitting outside because it's cold inside the house. No sunlight is getting in. And I am just sitting out here because it's nice and hot. I want to be like super hyped and stuff like, let's go! But I'm just too tired. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's vlog. I think I'm just gonna play with my dogs and have some fun with my dogs. Sorry if the lighting's not that good. Well, the sun is here, but like the shadows and stuff. What are they listening to? Weird stuff on the radio today. What should I do? I just do not want to not upload today. I need to upload. It's this vlog life, okay? It's been about 2 or 3 hours since I've recorded something. I've just been playing around with these bearings and magnets and stuff. I shouldn't get close to it. I don't want to mess my phone up. Anyways, I've just been playing with these bearings and like spin them and then who goes. Look at this, like just angle it up right here. Look at that. That looks awesome, doesn't it? But I have nothing to do. I am sick and I feel very tired because I'm sick. I have a flu. As you can see, I have a lot of toilet paper. And I just don't know what to do for today's vlog because I can't get out of the house. I'm sick. I'm just playing with bearings almost the whole time. That's basically it. Bearings and magnets. Sorry. So guys, I found that I was like playing with these bearings. I have loads and they're already I have like loads of these blue bearings from my old skateboard. Probably like 6 years old or something. One of my sisters before or something. Anyways, I had something, I had this fidget spinner made out of tape. I used this tape, then I just took like 3 of these and put them together and then taped them, and then this thing spun. But that thing didn't work out, so it was like the whole time moving around. And now I found this super magnet. It's quite, let me just get this out of the way. It's like quite broken. As you can see, it's a bit chipped up, but I just like was playing and then I saw this happened. And then I see I can spin it like this. I can't like spin it because it's not even. So then I took another one. By the way, this magnet is super strong. I mean, it won't go off. Like, look at this. I'm like swinging it super hard. What sucks is it's not in the middle, so I can't spin it. But it still looks cool. And then I added another one. See, I can even like do it like this. And without it falling off. See? And then I added another one. Symmetrical. And then I tried this side. And I saw it work too. It also worked with this one. Let's see. No, it's too long, too bright. Just keep it like that. And then I got another one and another one. I'm gonna get that symmetrical. And it ended up like this. Then I saw this one, but I mean, it's not gonna help much. Kind of looks like a Christmas tree. Awesome design. You can do lots of things with bearings and strong magnets, I see. Let's see if I can spin it. Christmas tree! It like barely fits my hand. Like, look at that. Oh, and that piece just got off. And you can also do this with bearings. It spins like that. First I used it with coins. Like, look at the size difference. That's big. Like, look at that. Coins aren't that good. Bearings do much better. The sides on I spin them. I struggle a lot with coins. They just go off. And I don't get to spin. I have loads of like other bearings. I don't know what's wrong with these. These ones, the pipe in the middle, like that connects the two wheels. If you don't know, I got these from a skateboard, and I didn't buy them like in a little case. I just took them out of my skateboard. So this one is like super new, like, but it doesn't spin like this one. Probably can't see that. This one spins like for 2 seconds. This one would maybe spin almost a second. Almost a second. Sorry for me sniffing the whole time. I'm just a bit sick. But yeah, you probably already saw in the title, this fidget spinner. It's not really a fidget spinner that can spin like that. I mean, you can try, but it's not gonna work. You can spin it with any other bearing on here. Oh, and that's the first time it broke off. I am impressed. Wow. Oh, it's because these two aren't touching the magnet. You see, I don't want to bring it too close to my phone. If you see there, they're not touching it completely. These ones are touching it. Maybe if I haven't tried this one yet. That just doesn't look symmetrical. You can also like do all other designs. You don't have to do the fidget spinner, but it just looks cool with this. You see, you just like get it up there. Bloop, 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 bloop. It's so satisfying to play with this. And then I just gotta go down, and then boom. Ah, so freaking satisfying. Wow. This isn't really a vlog, it's more of a sit down video. But this is very fun to play with. Like, so fun. Like, look at this. Flip, 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 flip. Oh, and it works. I didn't think the magnet would be that strong. Yeah, I didn't think the magnet would be that strong. But this is like my favorite. Just the two. Looks like a Tron bike. the bike from Tron. But so guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up today's video here because there's not like much to vlog. The sun is about to set. It's not set, but it's not one of the brightest days. It looks very bright from here. It looks super sunny, but it ain't that sunny, and it's actually quite cold. And you might be wondering, well, your blinds are closed, so that's obviously why it's cold. No, it's not that. It's just actually super cold. It's just too cold. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. There wasn't much going on here, but I think you guys should give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Plug. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.